A spiral metal carrying an electrical current between two pipes at the bottom of an abandoned oil well. The aim is to heat the wire in order to ignite a mixture of methane and compressed oxygen, pumped separately down two long pipes. Abandoned and seemingly depleted oil wells and reservoirs contain a huge amount of oil as a sludge or solid rocks. The violent fiery reaction hundreds of meters underground will produce an enormous amount of heat and massive volume of superheated carbon dioxide. The massive ball of fire will burn and liquefy the oil. By constantly supplying the two ignitable gases and keeping the massive fire burning at the bottom of the well, a critical high pressure will be maintained to push the oil up to the surface. Across continents, thousands of oil wells and reservoirs have been abandoned. After decades of use, their internal pressure is no longer strong enough to push the precious liquid up to the surface. The JPS can revive the majority of such wells and add more years to their lives. In this animation, we see two JPS units. The unit on the left pumps compressed oxygen or air via a long pipe to the bottom of the well, while the unit on the right pumps methane gas from the red methane tank on the right. The two long pipes used to carry the ignitable gases are also part of an electrical circuit completed at the bottom of the well by the spiral metal wire. An electrical generator at the surface will provide the electricity needed to heat up the spiral wire, which in turn will ensure the combustion of the two ignitable gases. By burning the oil present at the bottom of the well, an enormous amount of heat will be generated, which will cause even more oil to be burned. The fire will feed on itself, and oil will continue gushing out. As long as we continue to pump compressed air or oxygen, the surplus oxygen will ensure the perpetual fiery combustion of oil at the bottom of the well. Initially, the volume of extracted oil will be small, but as pressure starts rising at the bottom of the well, and depending on the size of the reservoir, the amount of recovered oil will increase dramatically. For every barrel of ignitable gas used, 10 barrels of oil can be expected. And for every $1 million spent in production cost, $100 million profit will be generated.